Hello everyone, my name is Manish Padyal and today I'm going to talk about the four financial statements. The first one is your income statement. The second one is statement of retained earnings. The third one is balance sheet, and the fourth and the final one is statement of cash flows. Under income statement, we list all your income and expenses. Under income, we list the revenue generated from your by selling your products or services. Under expenses, we list all the cost of goods sold, then your selling and administrative expenses. So basically, by subtracting all the expenses from revenue, we get the net income after taxes. Then we prepare the statement of retained earnings. Under retained earnings, we first get the beginning balance of retained earnings from previous period, and then we add net income if there is income, or if there is loss, we deduct the loss, and then if there is a dividend paid, then we deduct the dividend paid, and then we get the ending balance of our retained earnings. After the retained earnings is prepared, then we move on to prepare our balance sheet. Now, balance sheet is a snapshot of our financial position of a firm at a certain period in time. Certain point in time. So basically, if I want to look at my financial snapshot as of today, then that is what I'm going to get in balance sheet. Balance sheet all lists all the current assets, my long-term assets. It lists the current liabilities, long-term liabilities, and stockholders' equity, of course. And on the balance sheet, the total assets always have to be equal to our total liabilities and stockholders' equity. And moving on, then we prepare our statement of cash flows. Cash flows shows the snapshot of our cash increase or cash decrease in our balance sheet, comparing two periods. So the cash flow records the cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities. All activities that are related to operations are included in the operational activities. All activities that are related to investing, such as buying or selling of land and such, is listed under investing. And under financing, we list, of course, anything that has to do with our stockholders' equity, like dividend received, paid, and so on. So those are basically four financial statements in brief. And thank you for listening to me. And thank you.